Hummy had been dancing all over the place, with flowering on her dress and sarve to me with jam on her face. She spun through the garden, she splashed in the lane, she danced in the puddles left there by the rain. Ellie stood by the window and looked at the sky. The clouds turned pink and the moon drifted high. Ellie said, "Hummy, come inside, it's time for bed." But Hummy just laughed with a clap and a grin. "I've got too much energy rumbling within." She balanced her teacup, she juggled a spoon, she howled at the wind, and she danced with the moon. Hummy to teacher and toil to die, he salved even for the count, but outs to the beddin'. She twirled on the doormat and tripped on her shoe and fell in a heap. Oh dear, what to do? "I'm not even tired," Hummy said with a blink, "but my head feels so full I just can't seem to think. I feel like I want to laugh, shout and cry. My legs want to run, but my eyes want to close. I'm fizzy and wobbly right down to my toes." Ellie didn't speak, but she knew what to do. She reached for the blanket, the soft one in blue. She tucked it around her from ears down to toes. "It's time," Ellie whispered. "Your eyes want to close." Hummy didn't answer. She sighed with a smile and gazed at the stars in the sky for a while. "Rest now, little Hummy, time to snuggle in bed." And the stars tucked in Hummy for a long, peaceful sleep. Not a shuffle, not a wiggle, not a sound, not a peep. Good night, my silly friend. Good night, Hummy.